What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the TFVPM. I want to give you an update about the project, how it's doing, and how was my withdrawal. If you come over here to my accounts, my withdrawals history, and withdrawals, you can see that my first attempt to withdraw from the project was successful because it's completed. Okay, guys, so the project works and pays. All right, cool. So how to get started with this project if you're not familiar with this project? Essentially, you got to come over here, register, link is going to be down in the description, and then you will have to add your wallet to the project. Okay, so once you add your wallet address, either TRC or ERC20, okay, you are good to go. You just make a transfer, which is recharge, and once you got USDT in your wallet, in this account right here, you will have two options. So you got the fixed term funds, okay, and you have the compound interest. So let me just tell you that these ones, they are shorter terms, and these ones, they are longer terms. But longer terms means more rewards. Shorter terms means less rewards. Okay. If you scroll down, you can see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 plans. Okay. So each plan has their own daily income and their own duration. So for example, this one right here, you will get around 1.3% per day. Okay. And the cycle is only 24 hours. If you go back and select this one, 1.38, okay, the cycle is 5 days, and you get the idea. The longest you can go is 15 days. I'm currently on this cycle right here, 15-day cycle. Whereas if you come over here to compound interest funds, this cycle over here is 1.43, but what daily percentage is 1.3, but it goes for 30 days. So for 30 days, you're not going to be able to touch your funds like I am right now. I'm on the 15 day and I'm not able to touch my funds. And if you decided to go for this one right here, 2.8% daily, and because this will compound your interest, okay, after 120 days, you'll be earning roughly around 336% because of the compounding effects. Okay, cool. Right. So let's go over to my homepage. Let's go to funds and let's see what's up. So far, I've earned from the project 89 bucks. Okay. So my stake right here, 538, and started on the 23rd of July and will end on the 7th of August. Okay, so not long, not too long now. Okay, so 8 days, 7, 8 days. Okay, and so far, because I've locked my stake for 15 days, okay, this is the cumulative funds, okay, so that means from these, since 23rd till today, 31st, okay, I have accumulated, or the project has accumulated 48.66, okay, from this staked amount, right? So now, once we reach this day right here, 7th of August 2023 at 9:45 a.m. All this funds, so my position income plus my staked income will be redeemed and sent back to my wallet. And then from there, I can either withdraw or go back again. Okay. Over here is where we can see my stake transactions from the beginning all the way to now. Okay, and over here is where you can see every single stake in more detail. Okay, you can see the transactions that happened that day and etc. Okay, so essentially, guys, the project is up and running, still doing what it's supposed to do, and you can also register for free. Okay, and try a free trade and see how it goes. Okay, you come over here. I'm not really sure how to operate with this, but over here we got the option to do a free trade. Okay, if you still unsure about what to do, you can come over here. Okay, mock trading, and you have 1,000 bucks. You can come over here and uh, roll with it and see how it goes. Okay, give it a try, right? But yeah, so far so good. We got the community page right here where you can find information about the project, how it's doing, etc. So yes, guys, so far so good. TFVPM still doing its thing. Okay, so I cannot complain. All right, guys. So if you want to join this project, there is a giveaway. So for those team players that are currently active in the project and have 100 USDT or more, you know, I will do a giveaway every Sunday. Okay. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.